Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 27 GLC 300 4MATIC. This one's black. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo pushing out 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one does come with front and rear LED daytime running lights, 18-inch 5-spoke alloys. The tires are in good condition. A black MB-Tex interior. Panorama sunroof. Coming around back, we've got a trailer hitch, our GLC 300 4MATIC badging, power liftgate. This one does come with all-season floor mats, cargo cover, fold-down rear seats. Coming alongside, this one does come with the Premium 2 package, which gives you a keyless entry, a gray ash wood trim, power windows, heated steering wheel. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities. This one also does come with ambient lighting, paddle shifters for extra performance, navigation. Just go ahead and start it up. A rear view backup camera, dual climate controls, hard keys for our media display, cup holders, touchpad and wheel for our infotainment center, dynamic select for different driving patterns. This GLC has 34,013 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLC 300, check out feldmanimports.com.